In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with its neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. Have you ever wondered how this cosmic event might unfold? The Milky Way and Andromeda are the two largest galaxies in our local group. Both contain billions of stars, including our Sun. Despite containing numerous stars, scientists predict that individual star collisions during the collision are highly improbable due to vast distances between them. Recent simulations show a merger occurring in about 4.5 billion years, but there's only a 2% chance of this happening within the next 5 billion years. Till Sawala from the University of Helsinki found that there is only about a 50% chance of a merger occurring in the next 10 billion years, changing previous predictions. The implications of this collision could reshape our understanding of galaxy formation and evolution. It might create a new supergalaxy. While the exact timeline is uncertain, it's fascinating to consider that such an event could reshape our cosmic neighborhood in unimaginable ways. So there you have it. The future of our galaxy is still a mystery. What do you think will happen during this incredible collision? Let us know in the comments.